y'all? It's your girl Dr. Nina, and today I'm coming at y'all with some good old affordable juices and smoothies that help me to detox and cleanse, because we all just trying to make sure we achieve and remain our best version of snatched. Now, if I'm feeling a little bit bloated, y'all know what I'm talking about. Sometimes that time of the month, or when you're trying to prepare for a special event, or if you just want to lose some weight. In those times, I often use one of my detox smoothies or cleanses about 1 to 2 times a day to replace meals that I'm having, and I usually find that I'm able to lose weight pretty fast. Now, if I really want to trim down and get slim thick, then I'll take 3 days and replace as many meals as I can with my detox cleanse juices and smoothies. I try to incorporate these at least 4 to 5 times a week, if not more. I feel like they increase my energy, strength, the look of my body, my hair, and my skin that y'all always compliment. Thank you. Today I'm going to show y'all some of the ones I love and tell you the benefits of many of the items that I put in them. Down below in the description box, you'll find all of my old detox cleanse videos, as well as all the ingredients to the smoothies and juices. The goal of these detox cleanses and smoothies is to make sure that you drink them as many times as you can throughout your week. Before going on a detox, make sure that you're taking your behind to your doctor to check in and find out what works best for your body. We're gonna go to the store really quick and find some things that you guys can pick up that can go into your detox or cleanse. So y'all going or not? Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel and also my vlog channel. Make sure that you come back on all Thursdays and some Sundays for video uploads, and also be sure to turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload.
Shit, thought that you claim can't be topping my right. Oh, give me the ball, give me the ball. Take it top shift. Have you seen Dr. Nina going H? Why? And flying down 285, but I'm focused. I'm doing about 100, but the track still dumping. Up an 8 off NWA, straight out of Compton. My skin is beaming, the way it shine. I know you seen it. Contrary to your beliefs, I'm as real as you can be. So your thoughts and your feelings, look, you don't know. You were telling people you my partner, nigga, you don't know it. You could be the police. If I was like a dough, you couldn't get a OC. Hey, I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got the game plan, and I'm out here with the look alive, look alive.
So first off, I like to check my list, and you don't need a whole lot when you're doing detoxes. Look how short it is. I have a couple things at home, but just a few things I need to get at the store.
All these people finna be looking at me like I'm crazy over here. I really don't care. Yes, I have a camera.
There's so many combinations when it comes to detox juices and smoothie recipes, but some of the basic things you can include are some type of leafy green vegetable like kale, spinach, or chard, along with some type of fruit like bananas, berries, apples, or pineapple. Spinach, different juices, yogurt, celery, lemons, limes, ginger, mango, cranberries, cilantro, fennel, watermelon, almonds or almond butter or peanut butter, green tea, watercress, arugula, wheatgrass, avocado, and even beets. Good liquid bases that I find for my juices and smoothies are unsweetened almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, or any kind of milk that you like, or even water, and also coconut water. This first detox juice is the Morning Flow. I'm using just 8 ounces of water, some organic wheatgrass, some baby spinach, matcha green tea that's already been brewed, as well as a little bit of ginger. I put all exact amounts down in the information section. Wheatgrass is full of vitamins, minerals, and plant-based protein, while spinach has a lot of vitamins like C, A, E, and B. It's great with fiber as well. And then you have the matcha green tea, which is going to help with energy and focus and even calmness. Ginger root powder, even though you only need a little, is a super antioxidant and an anti-inflammatory agent. Y'all know I love my Yae Organics blender bottles, which I'm always sharing with you guys, which also charge up my phone, but they make it easy for me to take the Yae Organics juices and get in all my nutrients daily. So the link is down below if you want to get your own very affordable bottle, but also I'm giving one away, so make sure you check the links, because as you remember from my last video, I'm having a contest to give one away. All information is down below in the description box, and y'all, I love this detox one because it is definitely a wake me up and a good cleanser. In the next juices and smoothies, kale is one of the biggest ingredients, and it's because it's a superfood. It means it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, and I'm not afraid to buy frozen. Why? Because it's only flash frozen. It usually lasts you longer and it costs much less, so you get a superfood for a fraction of the price.
So I buy my green kale fresh. I started to get more of the purple kale. As you can see behind me, there's different kinds, so you don't get confused
There's purple kale, there's green kale, and I'm gonna go for the purple one today. Like the purple one, it's $1.99, it's organic. This next one is more of a smoothie and it's absolutely delicious. It has kale, banana, almond milk, a little bit of ice if you would like, a little bit of ginger root powder, and lemon juice. Now keep in mind that this lemon juice is excellent in here because it's a digestive agent and it helps with detoxifying. The bananas are great for fiber and potassium, so you're getting a nutrient-packed smoothie. Even though it doesn't seem like a whole lot is going on here, you simply have a few powerful items, and that's the idea. That's why it provides you so much energy, focus, that digestive agent. I love this one whenever something is acting up. So whenever I'm backed up or not digesting things well, I even add just a little bit of red or green cabbage, baby. It gets it popping and moving and you feel extra good and light. This next juice I call the fun night out. I use coconut water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and then a little bit of the organic ginger root. I'm adding a little of the red kale as well. Y'all know what most of these ingredients do, but let me hip you to the game on that good old coconut water. Now the reason why I call this the fun night out is because coconut water is a natural hangover reducer. It's a super hydrator, which could help to get rid of some of those dehydration headaches. It also has a lot of vitamins and nutrients, and it's said to help with reducing blood pressure. So it seems perfect for whenever you just need a good detox or when you need to unlight a lit night. The apple cider vinegar also helps to cleanse as well, and I just love the way this tastes. This next one is the keep it tight. I use a banana, pineapple, coconut water, and a little bit of my coconut Yae Organics powder, as well as 2 cups of kale. I'm just going to use the chopped and frozen version. If you're all about taste, this one is for you. And if you want to keep it less bitter because kale can be strong, keep your stems out of your mix. Just use the leaves. Also, I wanted to say pineapple has a great enzyme in it, and it also helps with that digestion and fiber. So that's why I call this one to keep it tight. It's moving and pushing things out and helping you stay slim and trim. This next one I call the eliminator because of what it does when I drink it. Okay, you can use almond milk or whatever milk base you want to use, ice if you'd like, kale, celery, green apple or red apple, flaxseed or ground flaxseed, and honey, and a scoop of protein. The apples help to provide dietary fiber and some vital antioxidants. Celery is full of minerals and vitamins like vitamin B6, C, and K. It also has folate and potassium. The flax seeds contain omega-3s, and honey helps to improve digestion. With all these vitamins, minerals, and digestive items, that's why I call it the eliminator. This one is one of my all-time favorites, and I reach for it whenever I seem to be having a lot of issues with my skin and my hair, things like that, when I need an overall detox. Y'all, this last one I simply call it the Balm. Why? Because it is amazing. It's simple but good. You can use water or apple juice, some frozen kale, an apple, and an avocado, and I'm using a little of my sweet beet powder by Yae Organics. What makes this one extra good for you is the nutrients. So you have the beets and you have the avocado. Avocado has excellent fat sources in it, as well as a lot of vitamins and nutrients that makes it good for your digestion, as well as lowering of blood pressure. And so do the beets. They help with the lowering of the blood pressure. So it's detoxing the body, helping you feel healthier, and help you get everything in line. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you let me know which one you're going to try for your detox or cleanse. Comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.